Hi everyone, welcome to Coffee with My Sunshine. If you're new here, I just started a new series called Make It Your Own Monday, where every Monday I will have a new DIY or recipe video for you guys. So today's Make It Your Own Monday video is a beauty DIY. I am making a pumpkin spice latte sugar scrub. If this sounds good to you, then please keep watching. You will need half a cup of sugar. You can use brown sugar or white sugar. A third cup coconut oil. Three tablespoons of ground coffee. One teaspoon pumpkin spice. And 1 tablespoon olive oil. Just mix that together really well and put it into a cute airtight container. It's not the prettiest looking stuff, but it makes your skin really soft and smells so good. You can keep it in the fridge. It'll harden. You just have to melt it either in the microwave or in warm water. It doesn't take long. You can change it up too. You can add more or less of any of the ingredients. You can add honey, vanilla, pumpkin puree, whatever works for you. Just make it your own. Please leave comments below and tell me what kinds of DIYs or recipes you guys would like to see in this series. And let me know if you guys would like to be a part of a Make It Your Own Monday challenge. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.